Hey RAV4 owners, today we're diving into the tech features that make the Toyota RAV4 a standout in its class. From the console features to the Toyota Safety Sense and Toyota Connect, we're going to explore what makes this SUV so advanced. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the RAV4's center console. This is the command center for your driving experience, so it's important to know how to use it. The RAV4 comes with a sleek, user-friendly infotainment system. Depending on the trim level, you'll find either a 7-inch or a larger 9-inch touchscreen display. It features standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility, allowing you to connect your smartphone seamlessly. Setting up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is straightforward. Just plug in your phone and you'll instantly have access to your apps, music, navigation, and more right on the screen. I'm an Android guy, and personally, I love how my phone automatically connects with the GPS on road trips every time we take a rest stop. The touchscreen is responsive and the interface is intuitive, making it easy to switch between apps, adjust settings, or control the audio system. And if you're an audiophile, you'll appreciate the available JBL premium audio system that delivers crisp, clear sound throughout the cabin. Below the touchscreen, you'll find the climate control system, which is also worth mentioning. The dual zone automatic climate control allows both the driver and front passenger to set their preferred temperatures independently. With large, easy-to-use knobs and buttons, you can quickly adjust the temperature, fan speed, and vent settings, ensuring comfort for everyone on board. Now let's talk about one of the RAV4's most impressive features, Toyota Safety Sense. Toyota Safety Sense is a suite of advanced driver assistance features designed to keep you safe on the road. It comes standard on all RAV4 models, which is a huge plus. Some of the key components of Toyota Safety Sense include the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which can help detect a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist and automatically apply the brakes to avoid or mitigate a collision. There's also lane departure alert with steering assist, which warns you if you're unintentionally drifting out of your lane and can gently steer you back on track. Not to say I'm a bad driver, but I've occasionally felt the steer assist from drifting over a bit, and it brings me more peace of mind knowing there's an extra set of protection if something causes me to get distracted. And let's not forget about dynamic radar cruise control. This feature automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, making highway driving much more relaxed. Add in automatic high beams and road sign assist, and you've got a comprehensive safety package that significantly enhances your driving experience. Lastly, let's dive into Toyota Connect, which brings connectivity to a whole new level. Toyota Connect is an integrated suite of connected services that allows you to interact with your RAV4 from your smartphone. Through the Toyota app, you can remotely start your engine, lock or unlock your doors, and even locate your vehicle in a crowded parking lot. Newer models feature Remote Connect, allowing drivers to start an engine and adjust the climate control before even entering the car. Perfect for those hot summer days or chilly winter mornings. Toyota Connect also offers Safety Connect, which provides 24/7 emergency assistance, automatic collision notification, and a stolen vehicle locator. It's like having a personal assistant looking out for you whenever you're on the road. I like this feature because I often lose track of time between oil changes of different vehicles. This app does the remembering for me. As you can see, the Toyota RAV4 is packed with advanced technology that not only enhances your driving experience, but also keeps you connected and safe. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you have more RAV4 questions, let us know in the comments below or check us out at rav4resource.com and join our free mailing list and Facebook group with over 2,500 other RAV4 owners, and it's a great resource for asking questions.